Okay, so we talked about posting content, talking about, some photos, some text and so forth. But what we didn't talk a lot about was video. And video is the number one most engaging piece of media you can use on Facebook. So what I want to do in this lesson is talk about the different types of video that you can post. And really there's two different types. There's pre-recorded and then there's live video. So let's talk about pre-recorded. Pre-recorded video would be something that would be saved to your computer, whether it is a commercial, a video you shot on your computer, on your camera, on your phone, and so forth. But it is a recorded video file. So you need to know first where that is on your computer. So what we're going to do here is we're going to upload a video file. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on share a photo or video. And I'm going to click upload photo and video. And now I'm going to go and find one of the videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find one of the videos of the lessons that we are recording here for this session. So I'm going to try to find one of the smallest ones, the response assistant, which you've already been through. And it's going to go and it's going to start to upload. So as you see here, it's adding the video on the right-hand side. Now you need to give it a title. So using response assistant. And it's going to allow you to add some tags. So this could be Facebook, right? So it gives you suggestions, training, maybe small business. So there we go. There's some tags. And it helps content be shown when people are searching for stuff. Now, once it's uploaded, you can either add a custom thumbnail. So if you design your own image for the video, you can actually upload that image. Or it's got 3 of 10. So it's got 10 different thumbnails that it grabs snapshots out of the video. And you can just click these arrows to find one that you think best represents what it is that you're doing. So I'm just going to go and I'm going to choose this one. Now, there's a couple other options that are in here under captions. You can upload what's called an SRT file. So if you've got the ability to create a caption file with your video editing software, you can do that, or your videographer can provide it for you. You can do that. And that's where you would upload that. Under advanced distribution, so where do you want the video to appear? Is it a 360 video? And this is some other stuff that you could put in here if you know what universal video identifiers are, and custom labels. So labels are not public. It may be just something for yourself internally. And cross-posting. So if you've got some other pages set up to post the video to other pages you own, you can actually add these pages in the settings. So you can actually post to one page and say, okay, I actually want this to show up on 2, 3 other pages you have. This would come in handy if you've got your business page and maybe a couple brand pages that you wanted to promote to. You don't have to do the post twice. You can do it once and just cross-post it in here. And then you can say something about it just like you would do a regular post. And then go ahead and click publish. And what's going to happen is it's going to go through its little thing. The Facebook minions in the background are going to create that post, and it's going to start to prepare it. Now, based on the size of the video, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes in length. So you see this isn't taking too long to prepare. And what it's going to do is once it's done, it's going to be available for people to watch, and this will bounce all over the place here. And like I said, it's just going to take a few minutes. So what we're going to do is we're just going to wait for it to finish, and then we'll come back and we'll talk about what happens. Okay, so now that it is fully processed, you're seeing it here in the post, and it just starts to autoplay moving forward. So when it comes through somebody's post, it's going to be muted. They'll have to turn the volume on if they want to hear it. But knowing that, once it's uploaded, it's going to show up on the left-hand side under videos. So you can go to your videos and you can see there's all your videos. And that's the thumbnail image, was that one that you had saved that shows up here. And you can see some video insights, or you can come here and you can actually add a video directly on the video page. So if we go ahead and click on this and pop it up.
In this expectations through messaging.
So what we're going to see here is the option to go full screen, adjust the volume, change some of the settings that are on that video. as the owner of the video, and you're able to do that. This here allows the person who owns it. So this is my personal settings for Facebook to go into there. So it's not a link for you as a business owner to adjust the settings on that. So now I'm just going to go back to that post. I'm going to find it here. So there it is right there. Beside every post in the top right hand corner, I can drop it down and I can actually go and say edit post. So now I can go back into this post and see more about it. So I could actually add the captions later or do other things and change settings in here without actually having to repost that video. Or if I wanted to actually unpublish it, I could go ahead and edit the post. And then down below, once it comes up here, where it says published, I can say expired. So it doesn't no longer show to anybody. So that's doing a recorded video post to your audience. While we're here, what I'm going to also show you is how do you remove an entire post, because I don't want to keep this video up here because it's training and somebody can find it. So I'm going to drop down the arrow here and I'm going to say delete from page. Do you want to delete? Yes, I do. It takes a few seconds and the Facebook will refresh and the video will be gone. Now, the second type of video is Facebook Live video. Facebook Live video is the newest thing. It's what people are using. It's what Facebook's giving more promotion to people who are using it. It's posting it out to more of their fans and to the audience. And it's really quite cool. Except if you're not comfortable being on video and you're not confident in one take, basically it's all live, then you're going to need some practicing on using and actually broadcasting yourself live. So there's two ways that you can go live. One way is through your desktop computer, as long as you've got a camera. So if you've got a laptop with a camera built in, you're good to go. Excuse me. The second way is using your mobile device, like your phone, your iPad, your tablet, anything like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on Start a Live Video, and this is the only part of the training where you're going to see me, the office is a bit of a mess, so be okay with that. So I'm going to click Start a Live Video, and what it's going to do, it's going to come up. It's going to engage my camera here. Oh, there we go. We'll tilt the camera up a little bit. There we go. So this is a live video. It's not live yet. It says it's up here. It's preview mode. You would say something here. So you would describe the video here. So you would say, this is a live video about topic A or whatever it is. And you would say go live, and what it's going to do here, 3, 2, 1. And you'd say something like, hey, we're live and we're going to talk about topic ABC, blah, 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 whatever it is. Now, as people join the live video, you're going to see on the right-hand side that they can actually comment, and live comments will come in here. So as you're talking, you can actually respond to these topics. When you're done, you can click finish. And it's going to end that live video. Now, one of the cool things about this is it says the replay of your live video will be available soon on your timeline. Done. It's creating a video post out of that. So as you see here, it's a draft. In a few moments, it'll appear as an actual now recorded video so people can see when it was live. So that's one cool way of doing live video. The other way would be to use your mobile device. Now, you would need an app called Facebook Pages for your device, whether you're Android or iPhone. And we'll actually do a segment here, a lesson on using your mobile device. For this, it'll be iPhone because that's what we use. We use Mac here. We don't have an example for Android users, so sorry. But the app experience is pretty much the same thing on both. And if you can get the app installed, you'll be able to learn and follow along pretty easy. So those are the two types of videos that you could use on Facebook.